Fun toys.
What is that?
Oh
my
goodness.
I have
Oh, is it a
directions.
parachute?
Kay went to the dollar
Andrew,
store
are you going to open up more of your eggs? Look at all your eggs, buddy.
I was worried that at the dollar store.
You open them up? Open it up right into this bag?
So I'm like, alright, I'm gonna get up there like $3, $2. And I'm like, nope. Everything at Dollar Tree. Everything is
I like Dollar Tree.
Can you open it up? You get it?
Don't worry, because a lot of those dollar stores have done that. They've like, most things are Dollar Tree.
Yeah,
A lot
Dollar
of things.
General is not.
There we go. Let's put it in the bag.
Yum.
Whoa.
Andrew's. Okay, just put it in the bag.
No. No, this is not any good.
It's like the size.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's an eraser?
Ooh.
Yeah, there are a couple of erasers.
Another marshmallow!
Marshmallow.
You know what those marshmallows
Ooh,
are?
Andrew, what's that? Andrew. On to the next one.
He's just like
Get
begging
them
you,
open.
opening them up.
Get them open.